Alright, 4K and 4 5G, the 4 half part though. Welcome to Number Corner. This is probably happening either before or after your test on Monday, depending on how you guys were doing on Friday. So if you guys are rocking it, this is probably before your test, so good luck for after this. And if this is happening after your test, I hope you did well. You guys did probably great. So looking at our pattern, this is another pattern sheet, just like we did with the function machines. So, except we kind of have just the shape. So our input is the shape. We already talked about how this is what 5 looks like and how this becomes to this shape. We did that in class on Wednesday. So I'm not going to say it, but I might show it. So stay tuned. Adam might be shouting this out right now because he does know. He definitely knew on Wednesday. So if you're stuck, ask Adam for some help. He could probably help you, but do it nicely. Don't just everybody shout it at him. It's not nice. But we do have our shapes. This is starting out 6. I'm going to show you how 7 gets there. There's 7 added on to 6. There's 8 added on to that. You can see 10 starting to form. Put 9 on. Put that in there. I'll put up 11 and 12. So 11 over there. 12, basically 11, but with a switch. So you now have the pieces from there. I am going to give you this sheet. It's in black and white, but you'll get this sheet with the markers 1 through 12 on it to work with while you're doing it. I'm going to go to the other sheet now that you will be doing the work on. So, looking at the first 12 markers on the calendar grid, you have the sheet that I just showed you. You might just be able to do it from memory. Recording all the observations you can make about the pattern so far. You should have at least 4, but I'm thinking that you guys could definitely get more than that, definitely do, but at least 4 observations you can make about that. There's a lot of space here. Filling in 13, 14, and 15 with what you think the pattern will become. So use that pattern. The pattern does not change for those. It could be pretty easy. It might be a little bit of a stretch for some of you. And then the last part, explaining why you did that. So if it was because you were following the pattern, say, oh, I noticed the pattern was this, so I followed the pattern and it made me do this and this. That would be how you can answer that. So this shouldn't take you too long to do, but while you're waiting for your classmates to finish, try to get more observations. So when most of you guys are done, it's looking like everybody's got the pattern and why and some observations, you guys can go over this and check on the calendar to see if you're 13, 14, and I'll even let you guys flip 15 over to see if you guys have gotten it right. Alright, thank you guys. Either good luck on your test, or I hope it's lucky while I'm grading it. I guess that doesn't make a lot of sense, but either way.